On Saturday, Michael Cohen walked the streets of New York a free man. But all that's about to change.
Did you think when you started working for Donald Trump you'd end up in prison?
The man who once said he'd take a bullet for President Trump will instead report to prison Monday for crimes he committed on Mr. Trump's behalf. Cohen's sentence, 3 years. This even after offering to cooperate with investigators and publicly rebuking Mr. Trump after 10 years at his side.
I am ashamed that I chose to take part in concealing Mr. Trump's illicit acts rather than listening to my own conscience.
Now a battle looms over another investigation, this one with major constitutional issues at stake. Judiciary Committee Chairman Jerry Nadler is demanding virtually all of the unredacted Mueller report. In a letter to Bill Barr, the Attorney General, Nadler says he wants an answer by 9 a.m. Monday. If he doesn't get one, Nadler is threatening to hold Barr in contempt of Congress. President Trump is digging in.
The subpoena is ridiculous.
The president still refuses to release his tax returns or information on how top aide and son-in-law Jared Kushner was granted a high-level security clearance. Frustrated Democrats are threatening jail time for officials who won't cooperate.
Did you hear what I said? I said there is no tool in our toolbox that we should not explore.
As the standoff continues, Speaker Nancy Pelosi faces growing calls from within her ranks to impeach the president.
Impeachment is never off the table, but should we start there? I don't agree with that.